Lab lubab.
The perfect balance of nature.
Assalamu alaikum.
I am your host, and today we will talk about an animal that symbolizes strength, dignity, and the balance of nature. Yes, the wolf. Viewers, you may know that the wolf is considered the national animal of Turkey. The Turkish nation chose the wolf as a metaphor for its bravery, freedom, and courage. But did you know that this dangerous animal also has a surprising humility hidden in its nature? Let's imagine this scene for a moment. When one wolf is weakened by another in a fight, and he is convinced that he can no longer win, he surrenders and offers his throat and neck to his opponent without any resistance, as if to say, I have lost. Let's take this fight to the end now. But viewers, here comes a surprising twist. The victorious wolf, who could have eliminated his rival if he wanted to, stops at that moment. An ancient force, an innate code awakens within him, which prevents him from making this final attack.
Because in the language of nature, the survival of the living is more important than finding temporary peace by killing his companion.
This is the natural system in which there is neither cowardice that surrenders, nor mercy that saves life. This is the perfect balance, where there is no winner and no loser. The two wolves separate from each other and return to their